Why did the senior get a Kinetic Pro watch? Because he said, "I want to move it, even if it's just my wrist." And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on Kinetic Pro watch for seniors. Tip 1. Charger setup. Make sure your senior loved one knows how to properly charge the watch. Some Kinetic watches recharge automatically by converting kinetic energy from hand motion into electrical energy, while others may need to be wound or even charged using a docking station. Teach them accordingly. Tip 2. Display. Adjust the display to a larger font size, contrast and brightness if possible, to make it easier for seniors with diminished eyesight to read. The watch face should be clear and uncluttered. Tip 3. Band adjustment. Ensure that the band is the correct size for the senior's wrist. It should be comfortable and easy to put on and take off. If it's too loose, it may fall off, too tight, and it could cause discomfort or skin issues. Tip 4. Learn the features. Help the senior understand the basic features of the watch, like telling the time, date, calendar, or setting alarms. Other features like fitness trackers or heart rate monitors can be useful depending on their health needs. Tip 5. Real-time health monitoring. Most Kinetic Pro watches come with health monitoring features like heart rate sensor, pedometer, sleep tracker, etc., which are beneficial for seniors. Make sure they know how to access and interpret this data. Tip 6. Emergency SOS. If the watch has a built-in SOS or emergency call feature, ensure that the senior knows how to use it in case of emergencies. This feature can be life-saving. Tip 7. Bluetooth connectivity. If the Kinetic Pro watch has Bluetooth capabilities, it can potentially be linked to a smartphone or other devices. This connectivity allows for a variety of applications, including tracking fitness data, receiving notifications, controlling music, or even sending messages. Tip 8. Navigation. Explain how to navigate through different screens and access specific applications on the watch. Each watch will have its unique way of navigating, so ensure the senior is comfortable with it. Tip 9. Regular maintenance. This includes cleaning the watch and strap, keeping the watch away from extreme temperatures, and servicing from time to time as per the manufacturer's instructions. Tip 10. Battery life management. Teach them how to manage the battery life effectively by turning off unnecessary functions, reducing screen brightness, or limiting the use of certain energy-consuming features, etc. Tip 11. Using with hearing aids. If the senior uses a hearing aid, make sure the watch and the hearing aid are compatible and won't interfere with each other before buying.